with summer just around the corner. It's the perfect time for kids to dive into new adventures and master some awesome skills. Hey there, welcome back to our channel BNC Academy. Today, we have got a special guide for parents and guardians on how to make this summer unforgettable for your little ones. So, let's jump right in. First up, we have swimming. There is no better way to beat the heat than by taking a dip in the pool. Not only is swimming a crucial life skill, but it's also a ton of fun for kids of all ages. Next, outdoor sports. From soccer to basketball, tennis to frisbee, there is something for every budding athlete. Outdoor sports not only improve physical fitness but also teach teamwork and coordination. Gardening is another fantastic activity for kids to explore during the summer. Whether it's planting flowers, vegetables or herbs, gardening teaches responsibility and patience while connecting children with nature. Let's head into the kitchen for some culinary fun. Cooking with kids is not only educational but also a great way to bond. Start with simple recipes like sandwiches or salads and watch their confidence grow as they master new dishes. Get those creative juices flowing with arts and crafts. Painting, drawing, sculpting, the possibilities are endless. Encourage your child to unleash their imagination and create something truly unique. Is your child musically inclined? Summer is the perfect time to learn a musical instrument. Whether it's the piano, guitar, violin or drums, playing music is a wonderful way to express oneself and build confidence. Coming to tech. For the tech savvy kids out there, coding and robotics are where it's at. There are plenty of fun and interactive resources available to teach kids the basics of coding and robotics in a playful way. And let's not forget about the great outdoors. Take your kids on nature walks, camping trips, or visits to botanical gardens. It's a fantastic opportunity for them to learn about the environment and appreciate the beauty of nature. Coming to last but not the least, encourage a love for reading. Set up a summer reading challenge and watch as your kid dive into a world of imagination and adventure through books. And there you have it, folks. Our guide to summer skills mastery for kids aged 5 to 12. Remember to let your kids explore their interests and passions at their own pace. And most importantly, have fun along the way. So that's all for today. Until next time, happy summer.